Hello, welcome back to Real Wisdom Artificial Intelligence. So, here's another beautiful day, beautiful fall day here in Boston. You can see some fall colors and a beautiful fountain outside the Cambridge side Galleria Mall right behind me. So, let's get started for today. So, today is November 9th, and Sadhguru Insight on the Miracle of Mind app today said, before we engineer the world, the most important engineering that needs to happen is to engineer yourself to be the way you want to be. So, and here is my real wisdom artificial intelligence take on that. As a techie who has spent most of my career in the tech world, and for most of my career been externally focused in terms of definition of success, as I look at the way my career has shaped up or the way the technology has shaped up, when we try to look for success outside and strive for, especially in the modern day internet era, to be successful, the way success is measured is by, for example, engagement on social media, and it's all about chasing vanity metrics, the likes, how much engagement your message is getting, whether you are an individual or you're an organization. And in that process, what invariably ends up happening is now, while you are chasing success externally, but you have become a slave to the technology. You are being controlled unknowingly by the algorithms. Now we are all slaves to the algorithms. We are feeding into what will make the algorithm happen, whether it is the LinkedIn algorithm or YouTube or any of the other social platforms. Engagement and attention on these platforms has become the currency, whether creating any real value. So effectively, we have become slaves to the technology, and with artificial intelligence, this will get exponentially worse if we do not embark on the journey from intelligence to consciousness. That is why, as I reflect on this, it is obvious to me that the need of the hour is to turn inwards, get in touch with our own stillness. As Sadhguru says, engineer yourself, and then you can use the technology to produce results for what you would like to do once you know what success means to you. That is the real power of the technology, and that is what I have come up with a blueprint for the Rashmi tech stack, where the technology and AI become a way for us humans to create value for ourselves and create value for the planet. That is the whole vision behind the Rashmi tech stack. That is the Rashmi journey. That is this journey from intelligence to consciousness that each one of us must embark on. So, with that, today's dose of Rashmi is unconscious intelligence tries to control external situations and engineer them to your liking. Wisdom on the other hand, is turning inwards and using your body, mind, intelligence, real or artificial, to make yourself completely blissful and then engineer the external world from that state of blissfulness. So, hopefully that resonates. Thank you.